Alright, so let's take a look at the fall garden here. Got a bunch of different lettuces, romaine, lots of volunteer tomatoes in here. Didn't clean up very good before we put this stuff in. Mizuna, different kinds of lettuce greens, red Russian kale, curly kale. Out here now to grab some spinach. A couple other random things I started a while ago. So a lot more of the same. Still have peppers alive in here. Got to get in and clean off. Lots of jalapenos in there still. Cabbage and broccoli we're hoping still take off here and can get some growth in before it gets too cold. Swiss chard, different red and green lettuce leaves, bunch of radishes just thrown in. Let's take a look at kind of where we are here. Also put in some irrigation, so this goes off automatically for me twice a day. Keep the temperature down in here. We put the roll-up sides on. That vent will open once it gets to like 75, and that fan will kick on at about the same. 60 degrees or so in here now. Sun's about to set. Looking good.